Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do the last hypothesis test, which was a lower tail test. The one that read the Bureau of Labor Statistics reported that in May of 2009, the mean annual earnings of all family practitioners in the United States was $168,550. A random sample of 55 family practitioners in Missouri that month had a mean earnings of $154,590 with a standard deviation of $42,750. Do the data provide sufficient evidence to conclude that the mean salary for family practitioners in Missouri is less than the national average? Test at the 1% level of significance. Okay, so to conduct this hypothesis test via the p-value method, we use our calculator and we hit the stat button, go over to test, go down to t-test, select stats. The purported population mean under the null statement was 168,550. The sample mean for this test was 154,590. Sample standard deviation was 42,750. And the sample size was 55. Notice from the alternative statement, this is a lower tail test, so we select less than, and we're ready to conduct this test. Go down to calculate, hit enter. And the value that we're only concerned with is the p-value. And notice the p-value is 0.0094. And notice 0.0094 is less than 0.01. Not by much, but it is a little less than 0.01, the level of significance alpha. And because of that, because our p-value is smaller than our level of significance, we're going to reject the null hypothesis. So therefore, because our p is small, we reject the null. So the null hypothesis here will be rejected, and therefore the alternative hypothesis statement, which is our claim, which said the mean annual earnings is less than $168,550, is true. So sample evidence is supporting the claim that the mean annual income is less than $168,550. And again, we're rejecting the null hypothesis, and we only stand a 1% chance of committing a type 1 error in doing so, in rejecting a null statement that may be in fact true. So since that's a very small level of risk, we have faith in rejecting the null hypothesis and going with the claim. Sample evidence is supporting the claim. So that concludes this lower tail test utilizing the p-value method on our calculator. So basically, I have now shown you how to do 3 hypothesis tests, a two-tailed test, upper tail test, and lower tail test, 2 different ways. Critical value method by showing all 5 steps, and the p-value by using our calculator and using the t-test function on the machine. Well, take care, everybody. Please do read sections 10.1 and 10.3 and look at my PDF attachment on Canvas. I will be assigning the textbook homework and opening up the MLP homework. Please don't fall behind, and I wish you all the best and stay healthy.